अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान के दरमियान कशीदगी का इल्म है। पाक अफगान मसला हल करना मुश्किल नहीं, यकीन है ये मामला जल्द हल कर लिया जाएगा। दोनों ममालिक को जानता हूं, पाक अफगान मसाइल जल्द हल करूंगा और मैं ये अच्छे तरीके से करूंगा, लेकिन अभी कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं। उन्होंने फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर और वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ को शानदार इंसान करार दिया।
Pakistan and Afghanistan have started up, but I'll get that solved very quickly. I know them both, and the Field Marshal and the Prime Minister are great people, and I have no doubt we're going to get that done quickly. That one started up a few days ago. But the 8 wars that my administration has ended in just 8 months, there's never been anything like that. Never. There never will be either. I can't think of any president that ever solved one war. I don't think anybody. They start wars, they don't solve them. Something I love to do. The United Nations should be doing this, but they don't do it. You know, they don't do it.